Hello and welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson, we'll discuss the importance of these skills in various aspects of life and how to develop and apply them effectively. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze, evaluate, and interpret information objectively and logically. It involves questioning assumptions, considering multiple perspectives, and making informed decisions based on evidence and reasoning. Examples of critical thinking in action include analyzing arguments in a debate, evaluating the credibility of sources, identifying logical fallacies in reasoning. Critical thinking is essential for making sound decisions. By evaluating evidence and considering various viewpoints, individuals can make informed choices. Solving complex problems. Critical thinking helps break down complex issues into manageable parts, facilitating problem solving, avoiding cognitive biases. It enables individuals to recognize and overcome cognitive biases that may distort their thinking, enhancing creativity. Critical thinking encourages innovative thinking and the generation of new ideas. To improve critical thinking skills, individuals can ask probing questions, encourage curiosity and inquiry by asking questions that challenge assumptions and explore different perspectives. Seek diverse viewpoints. Engage with people from diverse backgrounds and perspectives to broaden your understanding of issues. Practice analyzing information. Critically evaluate information from various sources, distinguishing between fact and opinion, and assessing the credibility of sources. Reflect on your thinking. Regularly reflect on your own thoughts and beliefs, considering how they may be influenced by biases or assumptions. Problem solving involves identifying challenges, analyzing potential solutions, and implementing effective strategies to achieve desired outcomes. It requires creativity, resourcefulness, and perseverance. Examples of problem-solving skills include developing a plan to overcome a difficult obstacle, resolving conflicts in a team setting, finding innovative solutions to business challenges. Problem-solving skills are valuable because they enable individuals to overcome obstacles and achieve goals effectively. Foster innovation and creativity by encouraging individuals to think outside the box. Enhance adaptability and resilience in the face of challenges and change. Promote collaboration and teamwork by facilitating the resolution of conflicts and disputes. To enhance problem-solving skills, individuals can define the problem, clearly identify the nature and scope of the problem, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of the challenges. Generate alternative solutions. Brainstorm multiple potential solutions, considering their feasibility, effectiveness, and consequences. Evaluate options. Assess the strengths and weaknesses of each solution, weighing the risks and benefits to determine the best course of action. Implement and adapt. Take action to implement the chosen solution, monitoring progress and adjusting strategies as needed based on feedback and results. Critical thinking and problem-solving skills are indispensable assets in today's complex and dynamic world. By cultivating these skills, individuals can navigate challenges, make informed decisions, and contribute meaningfully to their personal and professional success. This is it for this lesson. See you in the next one. Hello and welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson, we'll discuss practical strategies to enhance creativity and foster innovation in various contexts. Brainstorming is a popular technique for generating creative ideas in a group setting. Here's how it works. Define the problem or challenge you want to address. Encourage participants to share any ideas that come to mind without judgment or criticism. Build on each other's ideas and explore potential solutions collaboratively. Record all ideas on a whiteboard or flip chart for later review and evaluation. Mind mapping is a visual technique for organizing thoughts and ideas around a central theme or concept. Here's how to create a mind map. Start with a central idea or topic and write it in the center of a blank page. Branch out from the central idea, creating subtopics or related concepts connected by lines. Add details, keywords, or images to each branch to further develop ideas and connections. Continuously expand and refine the mind map as new insights emerge. A student uses a mind map to brainstorm essay topics, connecting related ideas and organizing key points for each topic. The Scamper technique is a creative thinking method that prompts individuals to explore different ways to modify or improve existing ideas. Here's how to apply Scamper. S. Substitute. Consider substituting elements of the idea with alternatives. C. Combine. Look for opportunities to combine elements from different ideas. A. Adapt, Modify the idea to suit a different context or purpose. M. Modify. Make changes to the idea's attributes, features, and characteristics. P. Put to another use. Explore alternative applications or uses for the idea. E. Eliminate. Remove unnecessary elements or components from the idea. R. Reverse. Consider reversing the idea's assumptions or perspective. A product development team uses the Scamper technique to brainstorm ways to enhance an existing product, exploring options to substitute materials, combine features, or adapt the product for new markets. Creativity and innovation are essential for solving problems, driving progress, and inspiring change. By employing techniques like brainstorming, mind mapping, and Scamper, individuals and teams can unlock their creative potential and generate innovative solutions to complex challenges. This is it for this lesson. See you in the next one. Hello, and welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson, we'll discuss evidence-based techniques to enhance attentional control and concentration. Research suggests that focusing on a single task can enhance productivity and reduce distractions. For example, when studying for an exam, allocating dedicated time to review course materials without checking social media or email can improve information retention and comprehension. The 90-20 activity rest cycle emphasizes the importance of alternating between periods of focused activity and rest. For instance, a student preparing for a presentation may work intensively for 90 minutes, followed by a 20-minute break to engage in a relaxing activity like stretching or listening to music. Studies indicate that interruptions from electronic devices can significantly disrupt task engagement and efficiency. By turning off notifications and disconnecting from the internet during writing sessions, the writer can maintain creative flow and concentration. The use of timers as a self-regulation tool promotes task-oriented behavior and mitigates procrastination. For example, a student facing a challenging assignment may set a timer for 30 minutes and commit to working on the task without distractions. Mindfulness meditation has been shown to cultivate attentional control and reduce susceptibility to distractions. By focusing on breath awareness and present moment experiences, individuals can enhance mental clarity and resilience throughout the day. Physical activity, particularly walking, has been linked to improved cognitive function and attentional performance. Taking a brisk walk outdoors allows them to clear their mind, increase blood flow to the brain, and return to their studies with renewed focus and energy. Attention and focus are essential cognitive skills that can be cultivated through deliberate practice and lifestyle modifications. By implementing strategies such as maintaining focus on single tasks, following activity rest intervals, going offline, working with timers, practicing meditation, and incorporating physical activity, individuals can enhance their attentional control and optimize performance. This is it for this lesson. See you in the next one. Hello and welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson, we'll discuss speed reading and comprehension techniques to help you read faster without sacrificing understanding. Previewing. Before diving into a text, quickly scan the title, headings, and keywords to get an overview of the content's main ideas and structure. For example, when previewing an article about climate change, you might notice headings like causes, effects, and solutions. Skimming. Practice reading quickly by focusing on the first and last sentences of paragraphs, as well as any bold or italicized text. This allows you to grasp the gist of the information without reading every word. For instance, when skimming a news article, you might read the opening and closing sentences of each paragraph to understand the main points. Chunking. Instead of reading word by word, try grouping words or phrases together. This helps your eyes move more efficiently across the page, increasing your reading speed. For example, rather than reading "the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog" word by word, you might chunk it as "the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog." Eliminating subvocalization. Avoid silently pronouncing each word in your head as you read. Instead, focus on visualizing concepts and ideas to read faster. For instance, when reading silently, try to visualize the scenes described in a novel rather than mentally pronouncing each word. Using a pointer, guide your eyes along the text with your finger, a pen, or a pointer tool. This helps maintain focus and prevents regression. For example, when reading a textbook, use your finger to underline or highlight key points as you go along. Increasing peripheral vision. Expand your field of vision to take in more words at a glance. Practice exercises to improve your peripheral vision and read faster. For instance, try reading a sentence while focusing on a point slightly to the left or right of the text to train your peripheral vision. Incorporate these speed reading techniques into your reading routine routine to read faster while maintaining comprehension. Practice regularly and adjust your approach based on your reading material and goals. This is it for this lesson. See you in the next one. Hello and welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson, we'll discuss the practical application of learning and memory techniques in academic settings. Many students find themselves struggling not with understanding the material, but with retaining and recalling it when needed. This distinction between understanding and remembering is crucial, and mastering memory techniques can bridge this gap effectively. Memory is not merely about storing information, but also about encoding, storing, and retrieving it. Encoding involves assigning meaning to the information, while storage requires repetition and review to reinforce memory. Finally, retrieval involves following the pathways created during encoding to recall the information when needed. One effective strategy for mastering memory is to make a deliberate decision to remember specific data. By consciously focusing on what needs to be retained, we strengthen the links in our memory. Additionally, linking the information to our everyday lives or to other existing knowledge can enhance recall. For example, relating new scientific concepts to familiar real-life scenarios can make them easier to remember. Visual imagery is another powerful tool for memory enhancement. By creating vivid mental images associated with the information, we engage our visual memory, making it easier to recall later. For instance, picturing a colorful diagram or scene related to historical events can aid in remembering key details. Utilizing information through discussion, practice, or immediate application in relevant activities can significantly improve retention. Studies have shown that we retain more information when we engage actively with it, such as by discussing it with others or applying it in practical exercises. Breaking down information into manageable chunks and organizing it from general to specific can also aid memory. This approach helps our brains process complex information more effectively, making it easier to remember. For instance, grouping related terms together or organizing them in a hierarchical structure can facilitate recall. They say the best way to learn something is to teach it to someone else. By explaining concepts to others, you reinforce your understanding and solidify your memory of the material. Example: grab a study buddy and take turns teaching each other challenging topics. You'll both benefit from the shared knowledge and improve your memory in the process. Moreover, eliminating distractions and creating a conducive learning environment can optimize memory retention. By reducing interruptions and maintaining focus, we minimize the need to reboot our short-term memory, allowing for smoother encoding and retrieval processes. Regular testing of memory through quizzes or self-assessment is essential for reinforcing learning. Additionally, associating information with specific learning locations or contexts can enhance recall by creating strong memory links. In summary, applying effective learning and memory techniques involves a combination of encoding, storage, and retrieval strategies. By consciously engaging with the material, utilizing visual imagery, practicing active learning, and optimizing study environments, students can enhance their memory retention and improve academic performance. This is it for this lesson. See you in the next one. Hello and welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson, we'll discuss the use of memory techniques in everyday life. Memory techniques are versatile tools that extend far beyond the realm of academia, offering invaluable benefits in various everyday scenarios. Let's explore how you can apply these techniques to enhance your daily experiences with a range of practical examples. Picture yourself at a bustling party surrounded by new acquaintances. Instead of grappling with the embarrassment of forgetting names, employ mnemonic devices. For instance, if you meet someone named Alex who mentions their love for astronomy, visualize them wearing a starry hat, associating their name with their interest. Ever find yourself at the store, struggling to remember what you need? Utilize chunking and association techniques to streamline your shopping experience. Group items by category, for example, dairy, produce, and associate each category with a vivid mental image. Imagine a cart overflowing with colorful fruits for the produce section, making it easier to remember your list. Whether it's your bank PIN or a new phone number, remembering digits can be daunting. Create a mental memory palace, a familiar location like your childhood home, and assign each number a specific location within that space. Picture your PIN as the street number or your friend's phone number as the doorbell code, effortlessly recalling them when needed. When tackling a new language, mnemonics can be a game changer. Associate foreign words with familiar objects or sounds in your native language. For example, to remember casa, house in Spanish. Visualize a cozy house with a sign that says casa on the door. Enhance productivity by visualizing your daily routines. Picture yourself going through each step of your morning ritual, from brewing coffee to checking emails, creating a mental roadmap that guides your actions seamlessly. Keep track of birthdays, anniversaries, and other significant dates with mnemonic devices. Associate each date with a memorable image or story. For instance, if your friend's birthday is on April 15th, visualize them blowing out candles on a tax form cake. Memory techniques can also sharpen your problem-solving abilities. Break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable chunks, and associate each component with a visual cue or keyword. This approach can streamline your thought process and lead to more effective solutions. By incorporating these memory techniques into your everyday life, you can streamline tasks, boost productivity, and enhance your overall cognitive abilities, transforming mundane activities into opportunities for mental growth and mastery. This is it for this lesson. See you in the next one. Hello, and welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson, we'll discuss the methods of dealing with procrastination and motivation. Procrastination is a common obstacle that many of us face, often leading to decreased productivity and increased stress. Imagine you have a project due in a week, but instead of starting right away, you constantly put it off, convincing yourself that you work better under pressure. As the deadline approaches, you find yourself scrambling to complete the task, sacrificing quality and feeling overwhelmed by the looming deadline. To overcome procrastination and maintain motivation, consider these practical strategies. Break down your tasks into smaller, manageable steps with specific deadlines. For instance, if you have a research paper to write, set aside time each day to conduct research, outline your paper, and write a certain number of pages. If you're preparing for an exam, set a goal to review one chapter of your textbook each day leading up to the exam date. Work in focused intervals, such as 25 minutes of concentrated work followed by a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle to maintain productivity and prevent burnout. Dedicate a Pomodoro session to completing math problems, followed by a short break to stretch and recharge. Identify common distractions in your environment, such as social media notifications or background noise, and take steps to minimize them during study or work sessions. Turn off notifications on your phone or use website blockers to prevent access to distracting websites while working on important tasks. Connect your tasks to your long-term goals or personal values to reignite motivation and maintain focus on the bigger picture. Remind yourself that completing your assignments will bring you one step closer to achieving your dream career or academic aspirations. Celebrate small victories along the way with meaningful rewards, whether it's treating yourself to your favorite snack or taking a leisurely walk outdoors. After completing a challenging task or reaching a milestone, reward yourself with a short break to enjoy a cup of tea or listen to your favorite music. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can overcome procrastination, stay motivated, and accomplish your goals more efficiently. Remember that progress takes time, so be patient with yourself and celebrate each step forward along the way. This is it for this lesson. See you in the next one.